Hello everyone, this is Eric Whispers, and today I would like to take you on a guided visualization. It's time for you to take a mental vacation. Start by making yourself comfortable. You may want to sit or lie down, loosening any tight clothing and adjusting your position so you can relax. Begin to let go of tension and relax your body. Just start with one small area of your body that is tense. Notice this area of tension and allow it to ease slightly. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the muscles in the area you are focusing on becoming more relaxed. Imagine breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Notice with each breath how you can relax this one area of tension. You may want to scan your body now for other areas of tension. Choose one area to focus on and concentrate on breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Feel your muscles relaxing, loosening as you breathe slowly and deeply. Notice now where your body is the most relaxed. See how this feeling of relaxation is growing and spreading to other areas of your body. Feel your muscles relaxing, becoming loose. Your limbs are feeling heavy and relaxed. Your eyelids feel very heavy. Go ahead and close your eyes if you haven't done so already. And as you continue to relax further, I would like you to create this picture in your mind. Imagine that you are near a pond and the rays from the sun feel so warm on your skin. Perhaps you are on a dock. The pond is very calm. Most of the water looks very smooth, but you can see small ripples where the gentle, peaceful wind is pushing the water around. Take a few moments to imagine this scene in your mind. Picture all the details of this relaxing place. The sun feels refreshing. The sky is so blue with white puffy clouds drifting about. The air is cool, comfortable, and pleasant. The temperature is very pleasant. A calm and very comfortable day. Imagine the feel of a slight, gentle breeze on your skin. The breeze blows just enough to move the leaves and pond thistles gently back and forth. Imagine the fresh smell of the air and the fresh smell of the clean water. It is a very refreshing scent. Picture your mind, the sound of the water lapping against the dock posts. The pond is so calm, the ripples are so quiet, but you can hear them as they move gently and calmly. This is such a calm, safe, and pleasant place. Relax here near the gentle pond. See the birds that are actively early in the morning. Some fly overhead, some are already diving into the water looking for fish. Other birds simply sit quiet and drift about in the water. They are enjoying the day as well. The breeze, the warm early sunlight, the gently lapping peaceful ripples, slowly moving thistles. All of these create a calm and peaceful place. Continue to relax for a few moments here, enjoying this peaceful place. The sun is shining brighter each moment. This has become a beautiful day. Everything around you seems to be waking up, getting ready for this lovely day. When you are ready to wake up your body and your mind and return to the present, give yourself a few moments to do so, even if you have to pause this video. Return your awareness to your surroundings and notice the real environment you are in. Let your muscles wake up by opening and closing your hands, shrugging your shoulders, and moving around a bit. Keep with you the feeling of peace and calm that you had while you were relaxing by the pond. And as you open your eyes, sit quietly for a moment and take it all in. When you are awake and alert again, you can return to your usual activities, knowing that you can always return to this place in your mind whenever you want to relax. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.